What's up guys, Shane Starnes here with Black Monarch, and if you've been watching this channel for any length of time, then you know that Urban Armor gear is always my go-to case, and that's no different for the Galaxy Note 9. In this video, we're going to take a look at the entire lineup, all colors, all case types for the Galaxy Note 9. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so as you can see here, we have every color and style of case for the Galaxy Note 9. We've got the Plyo cases in red and clear. We've got the plasma cases in clear and the smoky color, and then black and red in the Monarch cases. Before we get into the cases, I just thought I would mention that if you need 360 degrees of protection, I highly recommend the Whitestone Dome Screen Protector. It is applied with liquid adhesive, and it's the best screen protector that I've ever used, hands down, on any device. I'll be sure to include a link in the description to my full review and installation guide, as well as a link for purchase. If you are into the more minimalistic case look, then the Plyo Series is probably the case for you. I've got the crimson and also the ice. The ice is just clear. It's going to show off the color of your phone. The Plyo cases offer a one-piece design, so this is going to be the lightest weight, thinnest case from Urban Armor gear, but you're still going to get the military standard drop protection, and the reason for that is the 2 layers of protection. So you have an armored frame here. The armored frame even has these raised edges, which is going to help give you more grip on your phone. And then you also have the airsoft corners. One thing that I really like about these airsoft corners is you can see the detail, the design detail there. You've got that honeycomb look, which screams Urban Armor gear. It's a design that they've used for years and years. You also have these hard button covers, which are not going to wear out over time. Some of the softer cases, the button covers will wear out over time, and you'll find yourself pressing the volume down button instead of the volume up button. It's not going to happen with Urban Armor gear cases. Of course, you do have a raised edge that's going to help to protect the screen. With the Note 9, you do have curved edges, and I feel like there are some instances where if you do drop your device, maybe the curves are not going to be protected. That's why I heavily recommend the Whitestone Dome Screen Protector as well. So you kind of have the perfect combination here with the screen protector and the Urban Armor gear case. Now, in the last 5 or 6 years of owning phones and pretty much exclusively using Urban Armor gear cases, I've only ever had one damaged screen, and that was dropping it from about 20 feet on some bleachers onto asphalt, which was jagged enough to catch the edge of my Note 8 and shatter that screen, but I didn't have a screen protector. We've got a perfect cutout here for our camera and also the fingerprint scanner. I like the fact that it kind of gradually leads you to the fingerprint scanner with that little downward stroke there. The ports on the bottom are wide open, so you're going to be able to fit any charger in the charge port, any set of headphones in the headphone jack there. Nice open speakers and easy access for your S Pen. The S Pen ejects enough that even though it's kind of deep, you can easily get to that S Pen without any issues. And you can see here that the crimson is dark enough that it does look like a red case. It's not transparent enough to really see the color of the phone within the case, so it's more of a red case experience. One thing that I liked about the Ice Plyo case is the fact that the corners and the top edges there, it's kind of like a two-tone color scheme. So you've got the smoke corners and the clear, transparent case. All right, next up we have my personal favorite, and that's the Plasma Series. We've got it in both Ice and Ash. I personally prefer the Ash case, but these are the cases that I've been using on my devices for years. I personally love the industrial design with the rivets and the metal UAG inserts and the honeycomb pattern on the inside of the cases. To me, these cases just look really good. And I love the fact that they're able to provide that same military standard drop protection while being super lightweight and thin. These cases have the same raised edges on the sides as the Plyo Series, so they're going to give an added extra grip to your phone. You've got the same cutouts all around and the same sturdy button covers that are not going to wear out over time. So my personal setup is the blue Note 9 with the Ash case. I've also got the Thanos purple in the Ice case, which actually looks pretty tight as well. I actually like the Ice case on the Thanos version of the Note 9. As far as the S Pen is concerned, we're able to easily access the S Pen, so just kind of eject it and then grab it from the bottom. And it's easily accessible in the Plasma Series case. All your ports are wide open as well. Last up, we've got the premium experience with the Monarch cases. We've got the crimson and also the black version of the Monarch cases. These provide 3 layers of protection. So you have that hard plastic, you have this leather insert, and then you have a rubber outer case. If you're looking for a case that's all about style, this is certainly the case to get. You've got, instead of the plastic rivets on the Plasma Series, you actually have metal rivets on each corner with this version, and you do have genuine leather inserts in the middle there. And then the rubber on the outside is very reminiscent of a race car tire. I feel like they're going for the Formula One look on these Monarch Series cases. I think they look super sharp. One thing that stands out about the Monarch Series cases is the fact that they actually provide 2 times military drop protection. So these are a little bulkier than the Plasma Series case. They're not as thin, but they're not super thick like an OtterBox Defender Series case. The Monarch Series cases, of course, have these sturdy button covers that are not going to wear out over time. Your ports are also wide open for easy access. So here's the blue and black. We've got a perfect camera cutout there and fingerprint scanner access. And as far as the S Pen is concerned, same easy access on the Monarch Series case as with the other cases. All right, and then I've got the Thanos purple in with the red. I actually have an extra Monarch case, so if you leave a comment below and also give this video a like, that will be your entrance into this giveaway. I will pick a winner in the coming weeks. That about wraps it up for this video. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.